my name is Angelia Chan, and this is my project. So, my idea of this project is because it's useful and fun to use these codes to make a program working. A calculator, a countdown, and a dice roller are useful. What did I learn and use? This code is I used a if statement, and it's calculating the numbers that the player chose for the calculator. And number two, I used a input to input, like ask the user, what do you want to do for the calculator? Like input the numbers and calculate it. And code examples. This code is choosing a random number from 1 to 6 for the dice roller. It chooses the number and it just randomly chooses that number. This code is using a while loop to count down while the time that the player wanted to count down. Print it into the screen, then increase it by 1 in each cycle. When the timer expires, print time is up on the screen. Live demonstrations. Do I need to get my copad?
Yeah.
I choose the calculator. Now I choose the countdown timer. Now I choose the dice roll simulator. Now I exit the game. My favorite part of this code is when the user choosing a program from the menu, because there are three functions and they can choose which one they want to use. My improvements are adding one more function to this program, and the die simulator supports multiple roles, and the calculator supports decimal operations. Thank you.